Hello friends, I am Dr. Harshad Parasnis, consultant gynecologic oncologist practicing in Pune. I am the head of Gynecologic Oncology Unit of Bharati Vidyapeeth's Medical College and Hospital Pune and also attached to BJ Medical College and Sassoon General Hospital Pune. Presently, I am the president of Pune Obstetric Gynec Society. Join me on 5th May, the coming Tuesday at 3 p.m. for my talk on pregnancy after cancer therapy. The ability to conceive after cancer therapy may be altered and therefore careful evaluation of risk is needed. We will discuss effects of various cancer treatments on reproduction, role of fertility preservation, and issues like when to conceive, problems in pregnancy during this webinar. I would appreciate questions from your side to make this session more interactive. My special thanks to Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, our FOXI President, and Dr. Jaideep Tank, Secretary General FOXI, and Zydus Gynec Division for supporting this educational initiative. I must also thank DocMode digital platform for taking this educational initiative forward. So friends, block your date and time and see you on 5th May, Tuesday at 3 p.m. Thank you.